Rainy Day, illustrated by Caroline Jane Church. Get dressed for some splishy, splashy fun. I am getting ready to go outside, but it's raining. I put on my favorite blue pants. Can you help me with the belt? Sure. There. Then I put on my sweater. The buttons are a little tricky. Can you help me, please? Sure. Here you go. Then I put on my raincoat. It will keep my clothes dry when I'm outside. Can you help me zip it up? There. Last of all, I put on my rain hat. Can you help tie it under my chin? That will stop it from being blown away by the wind. There. And when I step outside, in my boots of course, I put up my umbrella. Splish, splash. Puddles, where here I come.